Water scarcity and survival technologies of the future. Water is the foundation of life. Yet in the 21st century, it is becoming one of humanity's most threatened resources. Rapid population growth, climate change, pollution, and poor water management are pushing many regions of the world toward severe water shortages. According to global estimates, nearly half of the world's population already lives in areas facing water stress. As the crisis deepens, survival will depend not only on conservation but also on revolutionary new technologies designed to secure clean water for the future. The growing global water crisis. Freshwater makes up only about 2.5% of all water on Earth, and most of that is locked in glaciers and ice caps. What remains for human use is being stretched thinner every year. Droughts are becoming more frequent, rivers are drying up, and underground aquifers are being depleted faster than they can be replenished. Countries across Africa, the Middle East, South Asia, and even parts of Europe and North America are already experiencing serious shortages. Agriculture, which consumes nearly 70% of the world's freshwater, is under threat. Without immediate action, water scarcity could lead to food shortages, mass migration, and even conflicts over resources. The challenge is enormous, but so is human ingenuity. Scientists and engineers are developing powerful survival technologies that may redefine how the world produces, conserves, and distributes water. Desalination, turning oceans into drinking water. One of the most promising solutions to water scarcity is desalination, the process of removing salt from seawater to make it drinkable. Since oceans cover more than 70% of the planet, desalination offers an almost limitless source of water. Modern plants in countries like Saudi Arabia, Israel, and Australia already supply millions of people with desalinated water. However, traditional desalination is expensive and energy-intensive. Future technologies aim to change that. Innovations such as solar-powered desalination, graphene-based filtration membranes, and low-energy reverse osmosis systems are making the process cheaper and more sustainable. In the coming decades, coastal cities may rely heavily on advanced desalination as a primary water source. Atmospheric water generation, drinking water from air. Another groundbreaking technology involves extracting water directly from the atmosphere. Even in dry climates, the air contains moisture that can be condensed into clean drinking water. Atmospheric water generators, AWGs, use cooling systems or advanced absorbent materials to capture humidity and convert it into liquid water. These systems are already being used in disaster zones and remote areas. Future versions powered by renewable energy could provide households, villages, and even entire cities with independent water supplies. In regions with little rainfall but high humidity, this technology could be life-changing. Smart water management with artificial intelligence. Technology alone cannot solve water scarcity without smarter management. Artificial intelligence, AI, and the Internet of Things, IoT, are becoming essential tools for conserving water. Smart sensors can detect leaks in pipelines, monitor water quality, and track usage in real time. AI-powered systems can predict droughts, optimize irrigation schedules, and manage reservoirs more efficiently. In agriculture, precision farming technologies allow farmers to deliver exactly the right amount of water to crops, reducing waste dramatically. These digital solutions will play a crucial role in ensuring that every drop of water is used wisely. Wastewater recycling and reuse. In the future, wastewater may no longer exist. Instead, nearly all used water will be cleaned and reused. Advanced treatment plants can now purify sewage and industrial wastewater to drinking water standards. Cities like Singapore and Los Angeles are already turning wastewater into safe, reusable supplies. Decentralized recycling systems for homes and buildings are also emerging. Gray water from sinks and showers can be filtered and reused for gardening or toilet flushing. As technology improves, recycling will become one of the most important weapons against water shortages. Nanotechnology and advanced filtration. Nanotechnology is opening new frontiers in water purification. Tiny filters made from graphene, carbon nanotubes, and other advanced materials can remove bacteria, viruses, salt, and even microscopic pollutants. Portable nanofilters could allow people in remote or disaster-stricken areas to purify dirty water instantly. In the future, inexpensive personal water purifiers may become as common as smartphones. Such innovations could save millions of lives in developing countries where access to clean water is still limited. Water harvesting and conservation innovations. Survival technologies of the future will also focus on capturing and conserving every possible source of water. Rainwater harvesting systems, fog-catching nets, and underground water storage methods are being improved with modern engineering. Buildings of the future may be designed to collect, filter, and store their own water supplies. New types of drought-resistant crops, soil moisture retention techniques, and drip irrigation systems will help agriculture thrive with far less water than it uses today. A future defined by water security. The global water crisis is one of the greatest challenges humanity has ever faced. But history shows that innovation often rises in response to necessity. From desalination and atmospheric water generation to AI management and nanotechnology filters, survival technologies are offering real hope. The nations that invest in these solutions today will be the ones that thrive tomorrow. However, technology alone is not enough. Governments, industries, and individuals must also adopt responsible habits, reducing pollution, conserving resources, and treating water as the precious treasure it truly is. Conclusion. Water scarcity is no longer a distant threat, it is a present reality. Yet the future is not without hope. With bold innovation and global cooperation, humanity can overcome this challenge and secure clean water for generations to come. The technologies of tomorrow may ensure that even in a thirsty world, survival and prosperity remain possible.